Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review of the Modelones color cube, and I also got the Modelones crystal cat eyes gel, so I'm going to be using that too. This is how my nails are looking, and this is what we're going to work off of. So let's get started and open this up. So this comes with 9 different solid gel polishes. It also comes with a brush and instructions. So this is the brush. I was having trouble opening it. It was really difficult to open. I eventually got it open, but for the first color that I swatched, I ended up using a different brush. Anyway, this is the actual gel polish palette, and this is the one I got. Really pretty colors. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. It feels really sturdy and everything, very nice quality, and it just looks really cute overall. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It has a protective film over it, which is really nice, and then a nice cute little saying up top. So this is what the colors look like. Very pretty for like Easter and spring. They're all nice pastels. And we are going to get right into swatching them. So like I said, I couldn't get the brush open, so I ended up using one of my own for this first color. And I ended up also running out of swatch sticks, so I just used like full cover nail tips, and that's what we're working with. So right off the bat, I noticed it's so pigmented. This is just one coat, and it is so creamy and so pigmented, and the colors just are so pretty. I cannot get over how pretty these colors are. So here's a close-up of what it looks like uncured, just one coat. And then I did get the brush open, so that is what it looks like. Really cute, and I actually ended up really liking this brush. Only thing is, I wish it was like an actual full-size brush, because it's kind of hard to use when it's like so mini like this, but the actual brush works really well. So there was a little bit of like color separation in the yellows. I tried to show you guys. I don't think the camera is really picking it up. It was just a little bit. It didn't really affect anything. I just thought I'd mention it. And here is this color cured. Again, one swatch of that, and here is all of the colors swatched. So this is all one coat, and they are so pretty. I can't even pick which one is my favorite. They did come off a little bit streaky. I don't know if that's just me and how I applied them, or if that's just how they are. But before I go on to apply them, I just applied a base coat from Modelones, and then I'm taking the brush and just applying a thin coat. This is my first time using like a solid gel polish, so It was a little bit of a learning curve, but I am like obsessed. The color pigment is so much more than like a regular gel polish, and I find it's easier to apply with a brush like this. So after I apply one coat of each, I am going in with a second coat, and again, this just really makes the colors stand out so much more, and I am just loving these colors. I cannot get over them. They are so pretty. And I was just going to leave it at the 2 coats, but I did want to go in with just a thin layer of a 3rd coat just to make everything pop and stand out, and just to get the full effect of these polishes. A really light thin coat, but I did use a 3rd coat of polishes. And then I'm taking this water decal that I got either from AliExpress or Shein, and I was out of frame for most of it, so I apologize, but this is all I got in frame. And I'm just kind of cutting off the excess around my nails, and this is how they are looking. And then I'm just taking a top coat and applying that, and then that is everything. So overall, I am really actually pretty impressed with these color cubes. They're actually really convenient having it all in like a mini case like this, and the actual solid gels are really pigmented and super easy to use. Like I said, they do come off a little bit streaky, but I don't know if that's just my application or if that's how they are. But overall, I am really impressed with how these work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you all in my next video. Goodbye.